In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram blind option not showing problem on Instagram. You can solve this problem. You can follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your Instagram app's latest version. Tap on search icon. Tap on Instagram apps. From here, you make sure your Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram app's latest version. It helps to fix Instagram blind option not showing. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on storage. Tap clear data. Click on clear cache. Clear cache data. It helps you to fix Instagram blind option not showing problem. Step 3. Open Instagram apps. Tap on profile picture. Tap on 3 line. Scroll down. Tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Then click include and continue. Briefly explain what happened or not working problem on Instagram. Briefly explain your Instagram blind option not showing problem on Instagram support team. Send the problem. Then you can solve this problem. Open Instagram apps and refresh your Instagram. Then tap on message icon. Then you can solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.